What if the aliens we're searching for are actually us? Pause. Before you roll your eyes, consider this. In 2024, NASA confirmed over 5,500 exoplanets orbiting distant stars. The universe is nearly 13.8 billion years old. Modern humans? About 300,000 years old. Recorded history? Roughly 5,000. On the cosmic timeline, we are newborns. So here's the uncomfortable question. If intelligent life survives long enough, what does it become? Now here's the pattern interrupt. Physicists already agree that time travel, at least forward in time, is real. Einstein's theory of relativity, proven repeatedly through experiments with atomic clocks and GPS satellites, shows that time slows down at high speeds and near massive gravity. Astronauts on the International Space Station age slightly slower than people on Earth. It's small, but measurable. Time is flexible. Backward time travel? That's where it gets controversial. Some solutions to Einstein's equations, like wormholes and closed time-like curves, mathematically allow it. But here's the key. Mathematically allowed does not mean technologically possible. We have zero evidence that humans, or anyone, can travel backward in time. None. So why do some scientists even entertain the idea that advanced beings might be future humans? Because evolution doesn't stop. Technology doesn't slow down, it accelerates. In just 150 years, we went from horse-drawn carriages to artificial intelligence, gene editing with CRISPR, quantum computers, and spacecraft leaving the solar system. If humanity survives climate risks, nuclear threats, pandemics, and uncontrolled AI, a big if, the next 1,000 or million years could transform us beyond recognition. Think about it biologically. Researchers are already exploring merging biology with machines. Brain-computer interfaces like Neuralink are being tested in humans. Genetic editing is advancing. Longevity science is expanding rapidly. If intelligence increasingly merges with technology, future humans may not look like us at all. Smaller bodies? Larger craniums? Fully synthetic forms? We don't know, but dramatic change is scientifically plausible. Now here's where curiosity meets skepticism. Reports of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, have been acknowledged by the U.S. Department of Defense. However, as of 2025, there is still no verified evidence that any UAP is extraterrestrial, interdimensional, or time-traveling. The data remains inconclusive. That's important. So the idea that aliens are future humans is not a proven theory. It's a speculative hypothesis, but it raises fascinating questions grounded in real science. If intelligence survives long enough, could it master space-time? If future humans could observe their past, would they? And if they did, would we even recognize them as human? Here's the deeper controversy. Maybe we assume aliens must come from distant galaxies because it feels more comfortable than imagining our own descendants watching us. One idea pushes us outward. The other forces us to confront responsibility. If we are the ancestors of something far more advanced, what choices today shape what they become? The Fermi paradox asks, where is everybody? Maybe the silence isn't because life is rare. Maybe advanced civilizations don't expand wildly across galaxies. Maybe they turn inward, or forward, or backward. There is no evidence that aliens are future humans. But there is solid evidence that time is flexible, evolution continues, and technology accelerates. The real mystery isn't whether they're out there. It's whether we survive long enough to become them. If humanity could look back at us from 10,000 years in the future, what would they say we got right or terribly wrong? Follow for more deep, evidence-based explorations that challenge how you see reality. And tell me, do you think the future is watching us?